Okay, this one we did remember. A, E, U, A, O.
Yes, ma'am.
This is A. Then,
This is E.
huh,
Then
U,
it is U,
hmm,
A,
hmm,
and O.
correct. Next line is what?
And then it is Ka.
Hmm,
Then it is Ki.
hmm,
Then it is Ku.
hmm.
Then it is Kai.
K, K.
Hmm. Then it is K.
Hmm,
And then it is Ko.
hmm.
Hmm.
This one, third line.
Like this is Sa.
Yes.
Then it is Su.
No, no.
Like C.
Ha, she.
Then it is Su.
Ha,
Then it is Se
ha.
and So.
Okay, good, you remember. Next line.
Like this is Ta.
Hmm.
Then T.
No. Ta. What is this?
And like
Chi.
this is I think E.
Chi. C-H-I.
Like Chi.
Ha.
Then that is Chu.
No. Su. Su.
Su.
T-S-U. Yes.
Su.
Hmm.
Then it is C.
Te. This one is?
This one is like say.
No. Te. T-E. Te.
Like Te
And?
or To.
Yes. Remember this
This
line?
one is like this one is La.
Yes.
Then that is Li.
Hmm.
Then that is Lu.
Hmm.
Then that is I think Li.
Ne. Ne.
Ne.
Ha.
Ne and
And?
that is Lo.
Yes. Correct. This one?
Like this one. Oh. Like this is Ma.
No, not ma. Ha.
Oh.
H-A.
This is Ha.
Ha.
Then it is He.
Yes.
Then I think this is like Who.
No. Fu. Fu. There is no who. H-U is not there. It is
Oh.
F-N-U.
Like Fu.
Ha.
Then this one is he. Like He.
Ha. Correct.
And
And?
this one is Who.
Yes.
Like this is La.
Hmm.
Like this is Me.
No, it's ma. M-A.
Like Ma.
Yes. Then?
Then, then it's Me.
Ha. Correct. Me.
Then it is Mu.
Yes. Correct.
Mm. Then it is like Me.
Yes.
And then it is Mu.
Correct. Yes. Very good. Then this line only has three letters, which is?
Like this is the T1.
No, no. T1 is already done. This is Y.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this one is ya, Y-A. Then
Mm.
this will be
Then
what?
U.
Yes, correct.
And that will be U.
Yes. Now last line. One more line. This is which
Mm.
line?
This is, I think this is Like, I think this is like za.
No, no. The? No, it's R line. R-A. Ra.
Like it's ra,
Then this will be?
ri,
Yes,
ru.
correct.
Then it will be like re,
Correct. Very good.
and it will be ro.
Yes. Now last line. This one also has
Oh,
only three. With what is this?
okay. And this is the Z one.
No, Z1 we haven't done Z1 yet.
Oh,
This is just what we did last time.
oh.
So this is what? This is the WA, wa.
Oh, this is wa.
Then this will be,
Like wo.
yes. And this is just no. This one
No.
is
Oh,
just N. No. Okay.
and okay.
So we did this. Good. You remember a lot. So, 1 minute. So now we can start making words. What will this be?
Okay.
Can you read? These are three letters.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Okay, so these are three letters. What is
Okay.
this word? Can you read? First one is what we just did now.
Like the first one on the top is like a.
No, this is wa. W-A. See this one.
Oh,
This one.
this is
W-A.
wa.
Yes. The second
Okay.
one is
The
this
second one
one.
is like wo. The W wo. Like
No,
wo.
no, no. I'm showing this word. Are you able to see the word?
I'm like which word?
1 minute, huh? Okay, wait. See in chat, I've written a word. Can you read it?
Okay.
Just try to read it.
Okay. I think it says triple.
Now can you read it?
I think the first section is like it. It is a va.
Yes. Second one is?
Like I think the second one is a ta.
Yes, very good. And the last one?
I think it is she.
Yes. So together it is?
Like watashi.
Yes. So watashi, you know what that means?
I think it
Watashi
is
means I.
like I think it is used in introduction.
Yes. Watashi means I, me. Okay, you
Yes.
can write this down. Then this
Okay.
one is? Hmm. This second word is? Yeah, you can
Oh.
write it down.
Mm. I think it is like two ta.
Which one? This one? This
Yes, huh?
one. This is a.
This is va.
No, a. See, why is this one?
Oh,
This is a. The very first letter a.
this is a.
Then this one. Second one.
I think this is two.
No, na. N-A.
Like it's like anata.
Yes, very good. Anata is you.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So watashi is I. Anata is you.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. What about this word? 1 minute.
Mm.
Only 2 letters. Very easy.
Normally the first one is va.
No, it's not va. See, va is like this.
Oh,
Va is like this.
okay.
And this ne has a round at the end.
Oh,
So this is ne.
um,
N-E.
ne.
Hmm.
Like it is nishi.
No, not she.
There is a
What
second
is this?
letter. Oh, I think
This
it is
one.
chi.
Ko.
Ko. Like neko.
Neko is? Any idea?
Like I think it is like her.
No, it's cat. Neko
Oh,
means cat.
okay. Oh, okay.
Now try the next one. Again, 2 letters, very easy.
I think the first one is like the first one is like E.
Correct. And
The second one is A.
no, not a. What is it?
I think it is like Eva.
No. It is nu. N-U. So
Oh
inu.
no.
Inu.
Okay. Inu.
Yes.
Yes.
Inu means dog.
Oh,
Okay, try this one. These are very common words. Small words, common word.
oh. Normally the first one is Ma.
No. It's not ma.
Like it is like La.
No.
Like, is it that Savan?
No, it's not sa. See over here.
Yes.
What was this?
Which one?
This one. 1 minute.
I think this was like Lu.
No, this one. See?
Oh.
Huh,
Like this one.
this one.
But like,
Ha,
I thought this
he,
one was
who, he, ho. Right.
oh.
So
So it is like
then,
Hun.
correct. Very good. Correct. 1 minute. Horn. You're right. H-O-N, hon means book.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh. So you remember numbers we did last time? Remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if I say what is uh, 78 in Japanese, what will it
Oh.
be? What is 78?
It is like it is Ichi Hakyu.
Ichi Hakyu.
No,
What is 7 number?
I think it was like Q something.
No.
Hmm.
Did you write it down last time?
Well, last time I had not returned.
You have not written. Okay, write it now. So 1 is what?
Like Ichi,
Yes, write it down. 2 is?
like Ni,
Yes. 3? Write it down now.
San.
Yeah. 3 is sun. 4 now. 4 has 2 letters. What was it?
I think it
Remember?
was like Yon.
Yawn. Yes, correct. And
It was
she.
Shichi.
Yes.
Oh.
Then 5 was?
Yuku.
No. Go.
Go.
Yes. 6 was? What
I think it
was
was like
6?
Go Yuku.
No. Roku.
Oh.
Write it down. Now 7 on has 2 words. It is either uh Nana
Like Nana.
and
Like I think it was Shichi.
yes, very good, correct.
Mama, like Shichi is also for 4.
No, she or
Oh.
for 4 it is only she, and for 7
Oh.
it is she,
Oh.
and then 8 is
Like it is Hakyu.
no Hachi.
Hachi.
Hmm. 9 is
Oh. And 90s, I think it was Q.
yes. 10
I think 10 was Sen.
no Ju.
Ju. Oh.
Sen means 1000. We are doing
Oh.
10 now.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So what will 11 be now?
I think 11 was like Ichiju.
No, Juichi.
Oh, like Juichi.
Yes. So what will 78 be?
I
78.
think so. I think
So
it
you
was
are
like Juhachi.
no, Ju means 10. We have to do 70. 70. 70
Oh.
will be 7 and then 10. So
Oh.
you have to do 7 plus 10
Oh.
and then plus 8. It will be like that. Okay?
I think it will be like Nana Ju and Hachi.
Yes, exactly. So remember like this. So it will be Nana
Ju
for
Hachi.
7, 10 for Ju, and then 8 is Hachi. So together
Hachi.
they become 78. Nana Ju Hachi
Okay.
is 78.